We got snow on the mountains, only in Ireland. It's March.
Welcome back. This is Rich Viper Media and we're back again with another video. I was very sick for the last week, so that's why there was no videos coming out. I'm only getting better now, and what's the best way to come back is with another car meet video. It's gonna be a bit different than the last one because it's cars and coffee, so it's like early morning now. So we're heading to Sligo right now and we're gonna film a few cars, see what we have out there. And yeah, the weather is not great. Slightly raining, but we'll have to do what we have. The weather is really not looking out for us. Well, hey, we got a coffee, we're on the road, and we have an engine light. What else could go wrong? In the gang we have a 4 Series X Drive and also a 525i petrol. Beast of a car. Let's go. The weather is getting better. Come on. The car meet is bad. They got some cool cars out here. Nice 36.
What I hear about Colin Ford is the cars with the Lotus car.
Horrible.
J'avais tapé que ça. Non, il y en a là. Det är Porsche som är där. Jag tittar bak, men nu är maskinen. Ja. Matej?
A, не знам.
Шачо куп с форском тук наречал. Tu norėtum tokia?
We got snow on the mountains, only in Ireland. It's March. Good morning.
Yeah, the car meet went quite fast because the weather changed. Like it was nice and sunny when we came, but then it started raining like crazy. So it was literally like half an hour. So I tried to film as much as I could of the cars, and then yeah, now we're going to the beach. Drive around the town, go do a bit of walking, and yeah, that's about from the car meet. Ciao.